How does CHR attempt to influence mental health policy? Have you ever wondered how organizations shape mental health policies? The Citizens Commission on Human Rights, often known as CHR, has a unique approach to this issue. Founded by the Church of Scientology in 1969, CHR aims to address what it sees as abuses in the psychiatric field. This organization operates as a watchdog, focusing on protecting patients from harmful psychiatric practices. One of the main strategies CHR uses is advocating for legal reform. Over the years, it has supported the creation of more than 150 laws worldwide. These laws are designed to protect individuals from abusive psychiatric practices. For instance, they often requiring informed consent before treatment and prohibit forced drugging and electroconvulsive therapy, particularly for children. By pushing for these legal changes, CHR aims to create safeguards that promote patient rights and limit coercive interventions. Another key tactic is public awareness and education. CHR produces documentary films and educational materials that highlight what it views as the negative impacts of psychiatric practices. These materials often focus on the alleged lack of scientific support for many psychiatric diagnoses and treatments. They also discuss the financial ties between psychiatry and the pharmaceutical industry. By raising awareness, CHR hopes to shift public opinion and encourage policymakers to rethink current mental health practices. CHR also has a global presence, operating with around 200 chapters in 34 countries. This extensive network allows the organization to engage with various governments and human rights groups. The leadership of CHR includes professionals from diverse fields such as medicine and law. This background helps to strengthen their credibility when discussing mental health policies. Additionally, CHR actively investigates claims of human rights violations in psychiatry. It publicizes its findings to bring attention to these issues. The organization even maintains a museum that documents the history of psychiatric abuses. By exposing these problems, CHR seeks to pressure mental health institutions and lawmakers to reform their policies. From the perspective of Scientology, CHR's work is part of a broader commitment to eliminate harmful mental health practices. Scientologists believe it is their duty to expose and end abusive psychiatric treatments. CHR's efforts to influence mental health policy reflected this religious and ethical obligation to protect human rights and promote alternative mental health care approaches. In summary, CHR attempts to influence mental health policy through legal advocacy, public education, a global network, and investigations into psychiatric violations. These actions align with its mission to end coercive psychiatric practices and promote patient rights.